Today we're going to be discussing a topic that most homeowners and property investors want to speak about. We'll be exploring 5 things that could improve your property value. So we'll be looking at the cheapest, from the cheapest of them all to the most expensive, just to give you a range on things that you can do to improve your property value. So if you are looking at improving your property value, stick around because these tips will take your home's value to the next level. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to support my work and that notification bell so you get updated on all things property investment. So property ARV, it stands for after repair value. So that's the strategy that's often used by people who flip the houses, and basically this is what happens. So they go ahead and they buy a property that has potential. It has potential. It means in good standing, looking at quite a lot of things around that, and they buy it because it's cheaper. It's cheap and it has potential, and they fix it and they sell it for a profit. So let's get started on the 5 things that you could do to improve your property value, from the cheapest to the most expensive. So the first one is cosmetics, putting things into it to enhance your property's beauty. Just replacing your old paint with the new one and how it changes the look of your property. I actually find the white paint very cheap compared to the other colors. It's easy to replace it. Like if you paint it with white color and you replace again with another white color, it's quite easy to replace depending on the sizes of your property. And you could spend about 5,000 renovation, and that's DIY. You need to do it yourself instead of just jamming and chilling at Christmas and December. You are actually doing something valuable to your property by raising its standard, by putting those cosmetics, the makeup. So if you need someone to do it for you, you could spend slightly more than 5,000 rands. And my favorite color is white, because white, it gives that clean look, gives your property clean look, and it goes with any furniture color. I like white. So what's your favorite color when you do the painting? The only challenge that I do not like about painting, for me, it's when I have to tape between the wall and the ceiling, and then the tiles as well, because it takes forever. The taping takes forever than the painting. But once you're done with the taping, you just go straight and you just roll it, listening to your music or sipping on something chilled or hot. Flooring, we're looking at tiles, carpet, and wooden floor. So let's start off with one thing that I don't like, so it's out of the way. Carpet. I do not like carpet. After a few years, it's looking old, it's looking rusty, dirty, and it's smelly, and it just makes the house looks terrible. So I do not like it. Wooden floors are beautiful. Wooden floors, actually, especially the old wooden floors, like the ones that you walk in the house, then go boom, 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 boom. The old houses, I love those wooden floors, and you can just clean them up and paint them, and it's looking beautiful. So Jason Lee, the author of the book Retire Rich from Property, he went in and he bought an old grainy apartment, removed the carpet, and then cleaned the wooden floor, and then he sold the house later for a profit. So he actually bought the property for 275,000. A year later, he sold the house for 650,000. That's a whopping profit. So just changing a few things, you can just, improve your value drastically. Tiles. I love tiles. It takes time to install. Yeah, I understand that part. But easy to clean, gives your house a clean look. I actually like one color tiles. So which kind do you guys like? I like one color tiles. I don't like patterns. I do not like patterns because my mother with patterns, the wall patterns, the floor patterns, it's too much. I just don't like patterns. Yeah, that's what we can do on cosmetic improvements of our properties. So the next thing to improve is bathroom. Bathroom is very important, guys. Remember, your visitors, when they're going to judge you, they're judging you based on your bathroom. How clean is it? How beautiful it looks. So if your bathroom is looking then your visitors will talk plenty. And when you do improvements in your bathroom, you don't actually have to buy new things or expensive things. For a lot of ideas, go to Pinterest, visit that site. There's a lot of ideas that you can use to improve your bathroom. So basically what you can do is, in my recent renovation, I replaced the tiles just a bit because there was two color tiles, the brownish one and the black ones. I didn't like the black one, so I removed only the black ones, and I found the same color as the brown ones, and it looked just right. So what the other thing that I did is I made sure that I cleaned those tiles. So the guys, they just found a chemical, I don't know what's the name of chemical, to clean just in between the tiles. And after the entire cleaning, you're cleaning the shower doors with that chemical. You make sure that you bring spring clean, that we used to call it spring clean, and we used to really work hard during our times. I hated spring cleaning. So you just spring clean the whole bathroom and it's gonna look amazing. The other fixes that you can do is the taps. You can change those old taps from 1900s to the current one. Shower heads, you can change shower heads from that small one, like my size of my fist, and you get that huge one. Damn, that one is beautiful. That one is beautiful. Get a mirror, get a big mirror, like 400 by 400 mirror. Or if you like, you can get a mirror that shows the whole body. Ladies love the mirror. Ladies, am I lying? Am I lying? And the other thing that you can do in the bathroom, like you put in those lights around the mirror. So when they do the make, they can see themselves clearly. So yeah, the outside. So make sure that you enhance it, you improve it, you upgrade it. The outside of the house, how it looks from the outside, tells you how the house looks inside. So if the house is beautiful from outside, definitely it's going to say to somebody the house is beautiful inside. So what you could do is landscape. I did an DIY landscaping outside, just flatten the place. It was not a big place, flatten the place, and put in the sprayers, water sprinklers. Then I went out, I bought grass, I put it up there, and make sure that it's level. And it costed about $1,000. If you'd like to see the video on how I did it, let me know at the comment section below. Other thing that I did, there was pavement. They didn't install it properly, so what I did is I removed that pavement and we put in the river sand, and we laid it again professionally, properly installed. The other thing that you can do is aluminum windows. Aluminum windows are amazing. Aluminum windows are amazing. So my auntie changed steel windows to aluminum windows, and she only changed the front one. I'm telling you, my friend, the house is looking like R1,000,000 gutters. Like, you know, those modern silver gutters, they transform your house. Instant kitchen renovation or kitchen upgrade. Kitchen is one of those things that really give your property value. So what can you do to improve your kitchen? You can replace the entire kitchen and put in the modern kitchen with a nice granite tops, nice cabinets. So the last thing and the most expensive thing that you could do is structural repairs or changes, making sure that everything is structurally properly done and it's safe. Like things like foundation. I fixed the foundation. No, I didn't fix the foundation. I put in the foundation because there was no foundation in the extended part of the house. You could also move the walls around, for instance, increasing the size of your kitchen, increasing the size of your bedroom, and open your house up, like making an open plan. So what I did is with my kitchen and the sitting room, I moved the beam, you know, like the beam in between. It was a little bit below. It automatically separated the kitchen and the sitting room, so there was no free flow. When you were sitting in the sitting room, you felt like the kitchen is in a separate room. I didn't like that. I like the open plan sense of the house. So we moved it slightly up, and then voila, it opened things up. So those are the 5 things that you could do to improve your property value, from as little as 1,000 rands to 100,000 rands, or even more. So which one makes sense to you? Which one are you going to do next? Is it going to be DIY, Is it going to be a bit of both? You doing it with a professional, or is going to be fully professional? You get a professional to do it for you. And please let us know at the comment section what you guys think and what you guys are going to do. And please support my work by subscribing to the channel so we can grow and continue to teach about the property. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one. Goodbye.